Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to go through gym and order, which is the program under grading section of algorithm on HackeRrank. So what is happening here is you have a list of customer, and then each customer has two parameters. So serving a customer will take in consideration the order time and the preparation time. So and you need to compute the sum of those two values to have the deliver time, the time that you're going to serve the customer. So if the preparation time is 8 and then the serve time is actually 3, you are going to end up serving the customer at time 11, and therefore all the user with serve time less than 11 are going to be served before this one, and the one greater than 11 are going to be served after this. So based on that, you are asked to compute the order on which the customer are going to be served. Let us take this one for instance. It's actually a great example to understand. We have 5 customer, 8 1. So let us take this one. We have 5 customer. We have customer 1, we have customer 2, we have customer 3, 4, 5. Those are the customer. Right now, this we have 8 4 5. Let me take another color. Let me take this color. You have 8 here, 4, you have 5 here. 8 4 5 3 4 3 4. So this is what the first value is actually. If you see here, you will see in the input 2 space integer, the order time and the preparation time. So this is actually the order time and this is actually the preparation time. So the preparation time now will be, let us compute, no, not compute, let us get the value. The preparation time now will be 1 2 6 1 3. So we have 1 2 6 1 3. As I was saying, you're supposed to compute the sum of the value to have exactly at what time an element is going to a customer is going to be served. Let us take this one. The first customer is going to be served at time 9. The second one is going to be served at time 8. Not 8, sorry, 6. This one is going to be served at time 11. This one is going to be served at time 4, and this one is going to be served at time 7. Now, given those values, how are we going to sort this? We are going to sort this based on the sorting of this. Since this one is the smallest, that means the guy 4 is going to be served first. So we are going to have in the result, let me put the result this way so you understand. So the first one to be served will be 4, since it's the smallest. After this is 6. This is the second one that will be served, 2, the customer 2. After 6 is 7. It's the customer 5. After 7 is actually 9, which is customer 1. And then the last one is customer 3. So at the end, this is the result you should return. Now let us see if it's exactly what has been. 4 2 5. 4 2 5 1 3 1 3. So basically, this is the idea behind solving this. Now that we have understood how the program is working, how are we going to solve it? So to solve it, my idea will be as follows. I will create a vector. So I will create a vector which will be like this. Each of the element will be 2 value. Let me take something maybe black. Each of the element will be 2 value. The first value is going to be the total time. That means here, for here will be 9, and the second value is going to be the position. Like maybe the order. This one is 1. So it will take 9 to serve the first one. So this is the first element of my vector. So I will create such a vector, and the second one the same is actually 6, and then it corresponds to customer 2. I will do this till the end. For me, it's really important to put first the total time before putting the order, because I will directly use built-in function to have the sort. And once I will have now this, I will sort my vector. And then definitely when you sort a vector in C++ without specifying the sorting function, it will sort based on the first parameter of the vectors, and in case of equality it will say it will compare the second element, and that is exactly what we want. So my first thing will be to construct such a vector, and then after I will just sort, and after sorting I will loop through my vector and I will just take the second element of my vectors. Okay, so let us code this. The first thing we said is to create such a vector. It's a vector or a vector of pair. If you want to, if you can create a vector of pair, but I prefer to go with vector. I will call it temp because it's a temporary vector, and I will loop through my order. I will say like for order, and for each of the element in my order I will just push here. I will push. What will I push? I'll need to make a little bit of computation because I don't want to do it directly. So I will say in deliver. So the deliver time, that will take order of 0 plus order of 1, which is the deliver time. And then once I have this, I will just say my term dot push back off. The first value is the deliver time, and the second value is actually this is not good way of doing this. You better to loop here with, because I need the index here, so you better to say for you better to go like this. And once you have this, now you have this a plus plus that you e plus 1 that you can use here to have the position of the element. And here you don't need to use order anymore, but instead you need to use the initial vector of the position like this, and then the same here, because you are not using accessing element directly, but you are accessing the element using the index. Once I have this, I've solved the first part of my problem. The first part was this, constructing this vector. Once the vector has been constructed, the next thing I need to do is just to sort my term. And then, like I said before, the fact that we have the element has been constructed using first the total time and second the position, it will directly sort on the total time, which is what we want, and in case of equality it will sort on position. And then now you have your array being sorted. The next thing you need to do is to construct now the vector you are going to return. First thing I need to do is to create a vector result here, vector of int, which is my result. And then I need to loop through my term, so I'll say element, if I want, of temp, and for each of the element I'll just say result dot push back off. So now this has been sorted. I don't need to push back what the order, because this is the what I need. I don't need this anymore. This is I was just needing this for the sorting purpose. At the end of the day I need just this, the order, so I don't need to push the element of 1, and at the end here I need to return my result. So let us submit this and see what it gives. We have everything going. So yeah, this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao, take care.